Hello again. So this is Grace again, Grace the Explorer. So today I'm going to share with you about this pretty good application for video editing. And if you're looking a free and good application, YouTube Movie Maker is the best. This is totally 100% and 100% safe, of course. No watermark, no trial time, and easy to navigate as well. Okay, so how to get it and how to use it.
Alright, so first thing that you are going to do, just open your Google and then search this YouTube Movie Maker. This is very easy, and then you can click this thing. This is the official website for this application, and then just click this free download and then install it on your laptop, on your computer. It's very easy. So in my case, I already have here. So I just want, let me go ahead and open it. Then if there's a pop-up, something that you want to allow this application for a known publisher, just click yes, of course. So there's three choices here: make videos, upload videos, and manage videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this make videos. Okay, so as you can see, there is a lot of features, right? So all these features, hindi ko pa siya na-try lahat. I'm still studying it. I don't know how to use it actually. It's kind of advanced, but it's a really good application. So here, the thing that I want to show you, this is very basic how to use it. Just click the plus. We're going to add a video, and then we're going to add the audio and the image. So there's a lot of things that you want to that you can add here. So just click the video if you want to add the video. I'm going to use the one that I created earlier. So there you go. Now we can add image as well. Let me try to pull it up. So I'm going to add 2 images here. Alright, and then I'm going to add a audio as well. Audio. So music. Now let me add this one. This audio, this is for the background music. I want to use that. Now let's add this video in this area. Okay, for us to create a video. No, for us to edit this video. Now, if we are going to just, by the way, just click it and then just click this arrow down. This is for add selected to. Where are you going to add this video line, or there are some overlays here in audios, something. So I'm going to click this video line here. Now, if you want to manipulate this video, just click it and then click the right mouse. Then you can see there's a lot of things that you can do it. So I just want to split this video because it's too long for me. Now as you can see, there is a disable audio here. So if you don't want to have if you want to shut off the audio of your video, just click this. Okay, then you can also disable. It's very easy. So I want to cut this thing. Okay, click, and then I just want to remove. So remove the selected item. So just want to split it again, and then I'm going to remove it. Okay, now I want to add the image that I have here, 2 images. Then click again the arrow down. So where are you going to add this image? You can add if you are going to use it as a background or a video line or overlays. So I'm going to add this on video line. Now I want to stretch the time, okay, here for a little bit longer. Okay, para mag-show siya sa screen. Just a little bit one. Now I'm going to add the audio or the music background. So let me add this and then audio 0. Okay, now as you can see, this video I don't want to have a music background, so I want to move this. You can use this thing, the line here. I don't know what what kind of this. I think this is a guideline as well. How are you going to manipulate all the videos? So I just want to put it there, and then this audio, the music background, and then I'm gonna push it here. Okay, now the music background, as you can see, this is very long, so I don't want to use all this music background. Just I'm going to put it here now. So the yellow line is your guideline for you to easily manipulate the videos or to edit your videos. Okay, that's your guideline. Alright, so I think that's it. Oh, sorry. No. So as you can see, the background, the music background is very, I think this is too loud for me. So I don't want to have a very loud music background. So just click it, then right click of your if you use the laptop, just right click, and then, or you can use your mouse, just set the volume. So there's a lot of choices here what you are going to do for this music background. So I just want to set the volume. 1.00 is very it's too loud for me, so I don't want to use this 1.00. Just let me see, let's have 0.8. okay, 0.8, and then that's it. Okay, as you can see, it's not loud for me. So let me go ahead and play this video. Alright, so let's try to play this video. Just click the preview and then from beginning. Hello again, so this is Grace again, GraceDAExplorer. So today I'm going to share with you about this pretty good application for video editing. And you know, if you're looking, Alright, so as you can hear, the background music is not really loud, and it's pretty, yeah, it's pretty good, right? Okay, that's pretty easy as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you and have a great day.